Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall apps or program in your Windows 10 PC. So this is 2021 and 2022 is coming, and if you don't know how to install apps, this video is for you. So first of all, you just need to go to the start menu here, then go to the settings here. After that you need to go to the apps option here, then you need to scroll down and you will find all of your apps and programs here. So if you just click on a program here, this will show you the uninstall option here. So if you want to uninstall this software here, just click uninstall and it will uninstall the software. And there's another way you can completely uninstall your software here. Just go to the search bar here and search for control panel here. Control panel, as you can see, the control panel app is here, so just click on it, and then you need to go to the uninstall a program here. So if you have the large icon option here, you need to choose the category view option here, then go to the programs option here and choose the uninstall a program, and then you need to choose what program you need to uninstall here. For example, I'm going to uninstall the Blender here. So if I choose the Blender here, right click on it, and if you will see option called uninstall here, so just click uninstall here and it will show you the are you sure you want to uninstall the Blender. So if you want to uninstall this software, so just click yes here, and it will start the uninstaller program here. So the program is completely installed now. So different program will take different time to uninstall. As you can see, the Blender is not here anymore. So that's it guys, this is how you uninstall the apps in your Windows 10 PC. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.